Okay, now that I got my movie set right. Oh, there's Linda yawning. She's yawning at the top of the hill.
Just trying to get some oxygen.
All right. Here comes Linda on a first hike in a long time. In the Superstitions for sure. It's been a while, huh? Okay. No.
I think that if he was even willing to park him, it would have been less strenuous on him. But he wanted to drive home every day.
Yeah. Okay. We're on the Bluff Springs trail. And we're heading up to that saddle that's right in front of you there.
That's what Stephanie said when she first came to Arizona. She said, "Oh, and these are real rocks. They're not Disney rocks. You know, man-made rocks to make it look like rocks."
And look, we have some flowers down here. Nice little flowers. All changed. We're moving.
We're in movie mode?
Yep.
I need to pick up some music over here. Or make it look like a smooth transition.
Right. Linda's gonna slide down the rock. Hopefully she's got her slick pants on.
No, I doubt that.
Oh. Oh, it looked much slicker than that. Now I gotta turn the camera off.
Oh, very nice. A lot better than that little inch thing that I was looking through. Literally an inch. Okay, do you want to go first? So
Sure.
I have to be in this movie?
I don't care if you're in the movie. Makes it more real. But look for our reflection. Oh, that's a dark reflection. That won't work.
It's a very nice area here.
It is very nice. I love this.
Hello, Angela. I'm so glad you posted. What shall I do this weekend? Me, pick me. I don't even care where you're going. Just pick me.
Got a little bit of a reflection there. Oh, and you got a swirl. There we go. Now we're talking.
It's an Angela dream.
It is.
Movie camera go first.
Movie camera goes first. Okay. Trees are just starting to put their buds on. Alright, we've made the turn.
Yeah, I know this little thing is probably filled with water often.
Yeah.
That's an interesting rock formation up there. Up to the right.
Mm-hmm. Now that my zoom function is fixed, I can stop the zoom. It would start zooming and it wouldn't stop until it got all the way done. They fixed it. It's the second time I've taken the camera in and they've had to fix it. Oh, okay, well, Oh, look at that green flowers or whatever in there. It looks like at first it looked like a frog, kind of like. This could be tricky.
Oh yeah, I see
With the
it.
camera in my hand, but we'll see if I can do this.
Just don't drop the camera.
Yeah. Although, they would replace it. Oh, look. What a view, huh? Oh, look. I found the right spot, though.